Let me tell you a story that starts with a single decision and ends with a $1.2 million legacy. It's about Jim and Carol from Sarasota, Florida, both retired teachers, both proud grandparents, both watching the market like a hawk in 2022 when inflation soared and their retirement accounts were losing thousands overnight. But here's what most people never hear. They didn't just ride it out, they made one move that changed everything. And in this video, I'm going to share what they did and how it's helped thousands of retirees safeguard their estates, reduce tax burdens, and leave behind a legacy that actually lasts. Because there's a hidden financial tool many retirees never consider until it's too late, and that's the power of a properly structured gold IRA inside an estate plan. But first, let's get real about what's happening. The latest numbers from the US debt clock show over $34 trillion in national debt. Inflation, while cooling slightly, still eats away at your purchasing power, especially on fixed incomes. And the FDIC quietly admitted it can't guarantee every bank deposit in the next crisis. That's not speculation. That's from their own public statements. So if you're retired or nearing retirement, ask yourself, what happens to your wealth if the market crashes again? What happens to your family if taxes go up? And what if your estate isn't protected the way you think it is? This is where Jim and Carol's story gets interesting. In early 2023, they took $512,467 from their combined IRAs, not all of it, just a portion, and rolled it into a self-directed gold IRA. But they didn't stop there. They sat down with their estate planner and structured the ownership through a living trust. That one decision meant that their gold IRA can now pass to their children outside of probate. Their heirs won't face a huge surprise tax bill, and their retirement is hedged against the very real possibility of a dollar decline or a stock market spiral. And it all started from one simple thing. They requested the free Gold IRA guide and educational call that we talk about in this video. And listen, this isn't some salesy silver coin gimmick or pressure-filled pitch. No hidden fees, no obligation, just a one-on-one education first call to see if this is even the right fit for you. Because here's the truth. You spent your life building this retirement. It should be working for you, not eroding quietly due to inflation, taxes, or risky investments you don't fully control. A gold IRA, when integrated into your estate plan, offers true diversification from traditional market volatility, privacy and control, especially when structured through a trust, and a sense of peace of mind you can't put a price on. So if you're 55 or older and you've got at least $100,000 in an IRA or 401k, then this is the moment to take control, because no one else is going to protect your legacy for you. Let Jim and Carol's story be the proof. It started with a guide, a call, and a decision. Yours can too. Hit the link below to get your free gold IRA guide and set up your short, friendly educational call. No pressure, just clarity. And hey, this isn't just about gold. It's about dignity in retirement. It's about freedom for your future. And it's about making sure your legacy outlives you in the best way possible. Get the guide, take the call, secure your future. We'll talk soon.